Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We live in a world of constant nutrition. From the moment we wake up until we sleep, our bodies are in a state of digestion. But biologically, our bodies are not built for this. Think about our ancestors. They didn't have a refrigerator or a delivery app. They survived for days and sometimes weeks without a successful harvest or a hunt. They had a survival switch that turned on during the scarcity, making them sharper and more resilient. Our bodies developed a high-tech internal repair mode, a survival mechanism that only activates when we stop food. Back then, it was a necessity. Today, that metabolic switch has rusted shut. I'm going to show you the deep biochemistry of how to flip that metabolic switch to clear brain fog, to burn the stubborn fat, literally renovate your body from inside out. So what happens when you stop eating? For the first 12 hours after a meal, you burn glucose. Your liver stores about 100 grams of sugar as glycogen. This is like your checking account. Easy to spend and it has a very low balance, but it's a very dirty fuel. Burning sugar creates a metabolic soot. Technically, it's called as reactive oxygen species and inflammatory agents. This exhaust is why your joint aches and your brain feels foggy. At 12 hours, you hit a crossroad. Your sugar tank is empty and your brain starts to panic. You will feel a wave of hunger. Look at the hunger differently. Don't see it as a sign of weakness. See it as a sign of success. That hunger is the sound of your sugar engine stalling. It is the exact moment body is forced to look for the keys to your fat tank. If you eat now, you reset the clock. If you drink a glass of water, take a deep breath, and just wait 60 to 90 minutes, your hunger will actually disappear. Why? Because your liver has successfully flipped the switch. You have moved from burning your checking account, that is sugar, to a saving account, that is the fat. You have survived the crossroad and now the deep cleaning begins. Your sugar tank is empty and insulin level drops and a hormone called hormone-sensitive lipase is activated. Finally, unlock your fat cell to release the stored energy. This is the official start of lipolysis. Now these fats travel through the blood into the liver. Through a process called beta oxidation, your liver converts fat into ketones. Ketones are high-octane jet fuels. Unlike sugar, ketones burn clean with zero smoke. These ketones cross the blood-brain barrier easily, which is why hour 14, the brain fog suddenly lifts. You have switched your engine from a messy sugar to a high-efficient ketones, reducing the oxidative stress in your brain instantly. By 16 hours of fasting, a master energy sensor, it's called as AMPK, is activated and a growth pathway called as mTOR is silenced. This triggers the autophagy discovery that won the Nobel Prize in 2016 by Professor Oshinori Ozumi, Japanese cell biologist. Before Ozumi, scientists knew that cells had a dustbin that is called as lysosomes. Ozumi discovered the genes and signaling pathways AMPK and mTOR that tell the cell exactly how to find, pack and recycle its own trash. He proved that fasting is not just not eating. It's highly controlled, sophisticated biological process where the body systematically renews itself. Think of your body cells as a factory which is running for years without a break. The floors are covered with scrap metals. First, your cells create a trash bag, and that is called as autophagosomes. Hunts down all the broken proteins and hauls them to the cell's incinerator, that is lysosome. The lysosomes are the bubbles inside the cells. They are filled with acidic enzymes. Dissolves the trash and shedding it down to its most basic building blocks, that is called as amino acids. And your body doesn't throw these away. It recycles these amino acids to build a brand new cellular components, stronger mitochondria and cleaner proteins. If a cell is too damaged to fix, and these cells we call it as zombie cells, a process called as apoptosis means demolition crew, which deletes it entirely. Apoptosis is also called as programmed cell death. In this way, you are literally melting down your old self to build a version 2.0 of yourself. Myth check. Many people worry that fasting eats their muscles. The science shows the opposite. If our ancestors lost their muscles every time they miss a meal, they would have been too weak to hunt and humans gone extinct. Instead, your body has an insurance policy, and that is the growth hormone. When the level of insulin drops, your brain spikes up the level of the growth hormones by about 500%. Growth hormones act like a bodyguard to your muscles, telling your body to burn fat but save the engine. You are not wasting away, you are becoming more efficient and lean machine. To get these results, consistency is the key. Whether you choose 16:8, that is the gold standard ratio, or one meal a day, you are giving your body the time it needs to finish the spring cleaning before you fill the factory with new work. The most dangerous minute of fast is the moment you decide to eat. After 16 to 18 hours of fasting, your body is like a sponge. Your body's insulin sensitivity is at its peak. If you break your fast with lots of carbohydrates, so you cause a massive insulin spike. This is not just a crash, it's a metabolic shock. And that stops your repair process instantly and store these calories as fat. So how do you break the fast the right way? So start with the liquid gold. It's a small bowl of a bone broth. It's rich in collagen and amino acids like glutamine, which heals the gut lining after the deep cleaning of autophagy. So if you are a vegetarian, you can start with a simple lime water or jeera or cumin water. So after this liquid start, then have a small meal focused on a healthy fat and proteins. Think of eggs, avocado, and a few walnuts. Because fat and proteins have a low insulin response, they keep your body in a stable repair mode even you begin to eat. This creates a protein-fat buffer. Save your complex carb for the end of your meals. So by eating fibers and protein first, you create a buffer in your stomach that slows down the sugar absorption and protect your heart from a glucose spike. Remember, you have just spent around 18 hours for cleaning your internal engine, so don't pour the dirty fuel back into it. So fasting is a strategic repair. It's a biological upgrade that costs nothing. Finish your dinner by 6 to 7 p.m. tonight and push through the 12 hours crossroad tomorrow. By noon, you have flipped the metabolic switch. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe button and tell me in the comment box what is your fasting window. I'll be back with a new content. See ya!